Hey everyone, according to leaked information, the MSI Claw 8 AI Plus gaming handheld promises major improvements over its predecessor. The Claw 8 AI Plus is rumored to include a larger 8 inches display and the Intel Core Ultra 200 Lunar Lake CPU, which should greatly improve performance, according to Tipster. One of the most notable upgrades is in AI performance. According to reports, the new handheld has almost 10 times the AI power of the Claw A1M. Apart from the performance enhancements, the Claw 8 AI Plus is purported to include an improved LB and RB button, a lighter AC power adapter, and a Thunderbolt 4 Type-C connection, all of which will improve the user experience in general. Improvements in battery life are also anticipated, though specifics have not been made public. MSI is also collaborating with Bethesda to release a special Fallout-themed edition of the MSI Claw. This version will feature a slightly smaller 7-inch Full HD display and a design inspired by the Fallout series, including elements from the Vault and Pip-Boy. It remains unclear whether this special edition will be based on the current MSI Claw A1M or the new Claw 8 AI Plus. The Lunar Lake series chip, which is expected to launch in Q3 2024, could position the Claw 8 AI Plus as a strong competitor to the Ally X, which features the Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor and a 7 inches display. With the Claw 8 AI Plus incorporating the Core Ultra 200 chipset, it is anticipated to deliver over 100 TOPS in AI performance, a significant leap over the Meteor Lake series chips. The incorporation of AI in the Claw 8 AI Plus name hints at the potential for new features and improvements that could redefine the handheld gaming experience. However, the exact nature of these AI advancements and their impact on gaming performance remains to be seen. The GPU in the Core Ultra 200 series is expected to feature the new Battlemage GPU architecture, which promises to significantly enhance the gaming experience compared to current generation products. This architecture is designed to deliver superior graphical performance, ensuring smoother gameplay and more realistic visuals. It is expected that the Battlemage GPU architecture would result in a number of improvements, including enhanced frame rates, better power efficiency, and ray tracing capabilities. With less lag and greater fidelity for their favorite games, players will be able to enjoy an immersive gaming experience thanks to these upgrades. Intel made a calculated strategic decision to compete with other high-performance mobile gaming devices on the market by integrating the Battlemage GPU into the Core Ultra 200 series. It is anticipated that the Claw 8 AI Plus will provide a more capable and visually striking gaming experience than many of its rivals and predecessors, because it will be utilizing this state-of-the-art GPU architecture. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.